So whenever we make a doorway, an entry into the practices of yoga, and they speak to us, and we begin to want to learn more deeply about not only yoga, but really the metaphor there is that we're learning about ourselves. In ancient India, there was a word called vichara. Vichara means inquiry. This was synonymous with yoga, that yoga is a path of self-inquiry, to know yourself, to know thyself. And so all the doorways of yoga begin to take us on this inner journey so that we can really begin to know who we are in relation, not only to ourselves, but to others, to life, and to the great mystery itself. When we begin to learn more deeply about yoga, at some point we come across the Mahabhutas, the great elements, because they are intrinsically woven into the philosophy that is yoga. And each element gives a doorway into some aspect of our being. Each element gives an insight. It gives us a way to understand a part of our life energy. So at some level, it becomes important because you're learning how to go more into these subtle layers. And subtle is very powerful. Actually, the more subtle you get, the more powerful you get. The importance of the elements to be in harmony and to understand each element. So no matter what element we might naturally be or have an affinity to, we do want to know each element because it's a part of us. And as those elements come into harmony and balance, then we experience simply in our life journey more health, more inner peace, more vitality, and more of all the feeling of well-being and positivity that we seek.